The biggest secret in the electric car world is finally out in the open today. After many months of wild rumors, new satellite images show an amazing new factory building. Tesla built this massive place in record time to make a very special new car. They designed this unique vehicle completely from scratch to help older drivers stay safely mobile. Everyone wants to know if this new edition really solves problems for senior car buyers. We are looking closely at how soon these new vehicles will hit the open road. The speed of this huge factory construction is shocking everyone in the global car business. They built this dedicated line much faster than any cheap electric car maker in history. This is not just a simple factory expansion to build more of the same cars. It is a total reinvention of how a modern compact electric vehicle should be made. Equipment arrived and started working perfectly in a crazy window of just 82 days. This extreme speed is unbelievable because they installed highly specialized machines in record-breaking time. Older car companies just put slow-moving belts into their very old and dusty buildings. Tesla built a completely new system where parts come together through smart parallel mini-stations. You can clearly see their goal is to stop wasting time and reduce human movement. The massive heart of this factory features two giant metal casting presses from a supplier. These huge machines sit on thick concrete pads to stop crazy shaking during fast production. They do not just replace old welding methods that take too much time to finish. They magically combine hundreds of small metal pieces into two gigantic solid car frame parts. Engineers even changed the metal recipe to make the parts much stronger and less brittle. This smart change means fewer broken pieces and much faster production times for every car. After the giant presses, the metal frames move into a very short robotic cutting hallway. Smart robots quickly drill holes and finish all the mounting spots with perfect laser precision. This hallway is incredibly short compared to the huge factories used by other giant brands. That short distance saves 14 precious seconds for every single vehicle moving down the line. Saving those small seconds adds up to massive time savings over a full production year. Installing the giant battery pack is another totally new process that changes the entire game. Instead of a huge wide battery, this new car uses a smart narrow power pack. 3 perfect robot arms lift the heavy battery right into the bottom of the car. The robotic precision is so exact that it drops right into place without any pushing. This amazing robot accuracy saves more than 5 minutes of tricky assembly time per vehicle. The inside of the car is where things get amazing for the older driving crowd. They built a special station just to put the comfortable seats and soft doors together. Easy open doors and wide comfortable seats are built into one giant single cabin block. Soft glove boxes and easy-turning steering wheels are perfectly added to this inner block. A giant robot carefully places this entire finished cabin block right into the car frame. They borrowed this amazing single block idea directly from companies that build massive flying airplanes. This clever block method stops annoying squeaks and ensures perfect comfort for the older driver. The whole factory uses a brilliant modular layout to keep things moving fast and smooth. If one machine breaks down, the rest of the factory can easily keep building cars. Old factories would completely stop if a single tiny belt broke during the busy day. This smart new factory will easily build more than 100,000 cars every year. No other cheap electric car brand has a factory this smart or ready for seniors. Now we must look at the secret battery plans to see how far it drives. Older drivers care deeply about practical range and reliable cars, rather than crazy fast speeds. Secret shipping documents show they are testing 3 different types of amazing new power batteries. The standard model will use a very strong basic battery designed for long daily life. It will easily drive almost 300 kilometers before needing a plug to charge up. The absolute best part about this standard battery is how incredibly long it will last. A driver could use it every single day for 15 years without losing driving range. Older buyers want a car that never breaks down and always works like brand new. The second secret battery choice uses basic sodium instead of very expensive rare earth metals. This cheap sodium battery completely solves the terrible problem of driving in super cold snow. Normal electric cars lose massive power when the harsh winter weather becomes extremely freezing cold. The new sodium battery stays perfectly strong even when snow covers the cold winter roads. Seniors will never have to worry about running out of power during terrible winter storms. This special battery is also much cheaper to make because it avoids using expensive materials. People living on fixed retirement incomes really care about paying less money for their vehicles. The third battery option is a wild new idea using special fast-charging aluminum tech. These tiny battery parts can charge up incredibly fast in less than 2 quick minutes. They are perfect for short daily trips to the local market or busy grocery store. A senior driver could charge the car completely while buying milk and fresh, warm bread. When will this perfect new electric vehicle finally arrive for eager older buyers to drive? Looking closely at past factory patterns gives us a very clear idea of the timeline. The amazing new factory machines started doing their final test runs late last summer season. History shows it takes about 12 months to go from testing machines to selling cars. Every previous new car from this giant brand followed this exact same 12-month rule. If they follow the same path, the first cars should easily arrive by late autumn. Secret spy cameras should spot the very first test vehicles driving around by early spring. The giant battery makers are already preparing to ship massive numbers of standard power packs. The winter-ready sodium batteries are scheduled to begin arriving by the middle of summer. This perfectly planned schedule points clearly to a massive public reveal event very soon now. They will show the whole world this amazing new senior-friendly car by mid-summer. Happy older customers will start driving these comfortable cars home before winter arrives this year. This smart timing gives older buyers a great reason to wait for this perfect vehicle. The simple controls and giant screens will make driving so much safer for older eyes. Advanced smart cameras will watch the busy road to stop terrible crashes before they happen. Self-driving features will take the stressful work out of sitting in terrible highway traffic. The soft suspension perfectly absorbs nasty road bumps to protect delicate and aging backbones. Getting inside is very easy because the car sits at the perfect height for seniors. The doors open extremely wide, so walking canes and folded wheelchairs slide right inside perfectly. The bright headlights shine extra far down the dark road to help tired, aging eyes. Voice controls let drivers turn on the warm heater without ever dropping the steering wheel. It can automatically call emergency doctors if the smart car detects a very bad crash. Family members can easily track the exact location of the car using a smartphone. Everything inside is built totally solid to prevent annoying rattles that ruin a peaceful drive. The trunk is surprisingly huge and opens automatically by simply swinging your foot right under. Loading heavy boxes of fresh groceries is a breeze because the trunk floor is very low. The thick glass windows block out terrible city noises to keep the cabin incredibly quiet. Smooth stopping brakes prevent sudden crazy jerks that make older passengers feel totally carsick. Small hidden cameras show every single blind spot right on the huge center screen monitor. Changing tricky lanes on a busy, fast highway becomes incredibly easy and totally stress-free. The special steering wheel feels very soft and turns easily with just a single finger. Parking this compact car in incredibly tight small spaces is completely effortless and very simple. Beautiful paint colors will stay bright and clean for years without needing expensive heavy wax. The smart computer system easily updates itself over the air while the driver is sleeping. New safety features magically appear inside the smart car without ever visiting a repair shop. Older buyers will absolutely love skipping the smelly gas stations and annoying oily mechanic shops. Plugging the car in at home costs just a few shiny pennies for endless driving. The low total price makes this amazing electric vehicle the best deal on the market. Competitors are completely terrified because they have nothing remotely close to this amazing new vehicle. Huge legacy brands are stuck trying to build overly complicated cars that cost too much. They completely forgot about the millions of older drivers who just want simple, safe travel. This genius car brand saw the huge missing gap and moved extremely fast to win. By focusing entirely on pure comfort and total reliability, they created a massive market winner. Huge piles of factory data prove this dream car is actually becoming a solid reality. We track these secret numbers every single day to uncover the absolute best hidden facts. The amazing rapid pace of modern factory construction continues to break every known world record. Nobody ever thought a full factory line could spring to life in just 80 days. It shows exactly what happens when smart engineers are allowed to think completely outside boxes. The final big question is whether the massive public will love this unique senior car. Early secret surveys show that older drivers are extremely eager to buy this exact model. They are incredibly tired of massive, confusing trucks and tiny, rough-riding sports cars today. They desperately want a smooth, quiet, comfortable ride that respects their actual daily life needs. This special newly designed vehicle absolutely hits the perfect sweet spot for the older generation. The global car industry will completely change when this cheap, practical electric vehicle finally launches. The wait for the ultimate perfect driving machine is almost completely over for everyone today. It marks a bright new chapter in incredibly smart and super safe personal modern travel. We will continue watching every single factory update closely to bring you the newest facts. Stay extremely excited because the amazing future of simple, comfortable driving is arriving very soon.